Unity in diversity. Diversity in India is its biggest strength. Women and men from different religious, cultural and regional background came together to oppose the British rule in India. Thousands of people from different background participated in India's freedom movement. During British rule, Indians worked together to decide joint actions. They found different ways to oppose British and went to jail together. British thought that since Indians are different, so they could easily be divided and British can then continue to rule India. But people of India showed unity in diversity in their battle against the British. Hindus, Sikh, Muslims, rich and poor man and women all gathered together to protest against British. Symbol and songs came up during struggle for freedom as it served as a reminder of India's rich culture and tradition of respect for diversity. India's national anthem, composed by Rabindranath Tagore, is an example of unity of India.